안녕하세요. 제 이름은 Emily입니다. 다시 와 Emeriez. Me llamo Emily. Hello, my name is Em. Welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna react to day 6, Where the Sea Sleeps. They have been on a hiatus for a while because of mental health issues, so I'm happy that they were able to rest. I haven't really been keeping up with day 6 just because I've been like busy doing stuff, but I do genuinely really like them. I think they're a great fucking group and they need more recognition. But yeah, I just saw this like pop up on my timeline and I was like, you know what? Let's just do a little reaction because I miss them and I'm happy that they're back. But anyways, this is day 6, Where the Sea Sleeps. Stop. Oh yeah, this is like animated, pretty sure. Yeah. Cute baby. Oh, the puppies are cute. Look at his little ears. Oh. I love their voices. No. Oh no, the puppy. No, they blew up. This is sad. one pillow. Damn, that just put me in the feels, bro. Oh my gosh. Their just vibe is so chill and relaxing. Like, I love, like, I own their Sunrise album, and I just like listen to it in the car, and I'm just like, bruh, I love this. Like I said, I'm really happy that they're back. I think they're such a talented group, and I love all the vocals and stuff. It just sounds so good. And the little animation is really cute too. I was sad at one point, like when they crashed into the meteors and then they fell into the water. It was really sad because he was like, I just want to like sail with my buds. Little bunny, little baby bunny. Anyways, that was my reaction to day 6, Where the Sea Sleeps. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe only if you want to. Comment down below whatever you want. See you next video. Peace.
자꾸 부정해봐도 내게 빠져들잖아 3, 4